Welcome again. In this lecture, we're going to learn about how we can do screen recording using Camtasia Studio 9. So we'll just open up the software itself and just click on new recording and we are good to go. Okay, we have the interface. We can do a full screen or we can do a custom screen, like we can select the size of the screen if we want, or we can do the full screen, and we can turn on the camera if we want to record ourselves, or we can use internal audio system, a recording system, or we could use external system. For example, sometimes we record audio from our smartphones. In that time we could just turn it off, or we could just use the internal headphone if we have a good sound system as well. So just after selecting all the defaults, all the options, we could just hit on this recorder option. It will automatically start recording. It's kind of showing some pop-ups, but it will start recording. And if you want to turn on the recording, we can just pause the recording, or we could just stop the recording. Let's just stop the recording, and after stopping the recording, there will open up interface, or we can edit the video if we want, or we can just export the video. So for example, it has loaded the file in our software. So one track, there is two tracks. One track is store the videos, one track store the audio files. So if you want, we could edit on this types of videos, or we could just export the video from here. If you want to save the file, save this recording, we could just click on share and select any file format. For example, I'm selecting MP4, and we could just next, and we could select a directory where we want to save it, and just click finish. It will automatically render the video to your directory that you have selected during the export. So the video is complete. So this is the recording. So we have recorded. So this is how we can actually do a screen recording with the help of Camtasia Studio. So we just start recording. After finishing the recording, it will take you to this interface where you can edit all the videos. You can edit audios, videos, you can cut audios and videos, and we can just then export the video if we want. So this is really convenient tool to record your screen. So there is no time limits for how long we could just record the video. There are so many software available that have a limit like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but in this software there is no limit. You can record as much as you want. So this is really convenient whenever recording like a class or recording online class. It usually around 1.5 hour or 2 hours or 3 hours sometimes. So this software would be really helpful for us to record for long videos, and as well as while upon finishing the recording, we could just edit a few things. That is really convenient for beginners like me. So I could just use this editing option to just cut few things off and just amplify my audio. Sometimes the audio is not good when I'm taking or recording class or taking class from home, or internet connection is not that good. So this software really comes handy. I can just amplify the audio. We can just cut few things off from the original recording, and then we can just save it by exporting the file. So this is how I record my screen, and it is really a handy software to use. So I hope you liked it, and in the next lecture we're gonna learn about something new.